Hello all, welcome to this lecture on understanding key concepts in artificial intelligence. Do you get overwhelmed with terms like AI, ML, deep learning and generative AI? In this lecture, we'll talk about the differences between these terms. These terms are often used interchangeably and sometimes it can be very confusing. Just like this meme, all of them look like Spider-Man and are trying to save the world, but we don't know what these special Spider-Mans are meant to do. Okay, so let's break it down and understand them one by one. The first one is artificial intelligence, which is a broader term that tries to copy human behavior like learning, reasoning, problem solving and decision making. So the keyword is copy and the goal is to create machines that can copy intelligent behavior. An example is virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa and Google Assistant. The next one is machine learning, which is a subset of AI that involves the development of algorithms that enable computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. Over here, the keyword is learn. It's like teaching a machine to improve its performance based on experience. So experience and learn are very important here. An example here is ML algorithm is trained on labeled examples of spam and non-spam emails. So when you get an email, you mark it as spam and the genuine emails are not marked or are marked as non-spam. Over a period of time, it will understand the patterns that such type of emails coming from such sources are spam. And in future, it will intelligently identify those as spam. Moving to next term, which is deep learning. Deep learning is a specific subset of machine learning that focuses on networks with many layers, also known as neural networks. It is inspired by human mind, which has millions of neurons. These neural networks are designed to learn complex patterns from data. For example, if an AI machine is trying to identify a human face, the human face has eyes, nose and ears. All these will be categorized into various layers. And when all these layers combine, it will identify that this is a face of human. And over a period of time, it may even be able to identify that this face belongs to a specific human being. Similar examples like identifying objects, animals are also examples of deep learning. Moving forward, the next one is the latest in the AI world, which is generative AI. It is an advanced subset of deep learning that involves creating models capable of generating new and original content. The most important aspect here is generating new and original content. These models can create images, text, music, and even videos. So to summarize, AI is an overarching field that tries to copy human behavior. The focus is on copying the human behavior. ML is a subset of AI that focuses on algorithms that learn from data and make predictions or decisions. Here the focus is on learning based on experience. Next is deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning and specializes in deep neural networks for learning complex patterns. It uses deep neural networks to learn complex patterns. And the last one is generative AI, which can generate new content and the focus is on generating content. So that's it in this lecture where we saw what is AI, ML, deep learning and generative AI. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.